Today we will discuss the differences between central model, local model, and standalone model in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe it and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Like and share also. There are two types of files, single user file and multiple user file. Standalone file is a single user file and the central file is multiple user file. Local file is created by accessing central model always. When you save the file after working, the local file is saved and you transfer your working in central model by synchronize tool. Now I explain these three file types in details. Make two new folders. One is with the name central file and the other one is local file folder. Go to Revit home page. Access options dialog box in file tab. There is default path for user files in file locations section. It's save path folder of local files after accessing central file. We assign local file folder by browsing. For better understanding, I manage these two folders on screen. Now we create a new project using architecture project template. Save this file in central file folder. You can assign any name of this file. It's standalone single user file. If there is no need for multiple user on this file, don't make this as a central file. This file is good for working and can also link in Revit model. If other users are also required to work on this model, then you have to activate the central model feature. For making central model, access Collaborate tool in Collaborate tab. Collaborate within your network allows you to collaborate on a local area network LAN. And if multiple users accessing central model on different locations using wide area network WAN. So we have to select collaborate using the cloud. We select within your network. There is file in central file folder and local file folder is empty. Save tool is enabled and synchronize tool is disabled. Save this project. Save file as central file message displays. Select yes. There is also backup folder created in central file folder and local file folder is empty. Save tool is disabled and synchronize tool is enabled now. It's a central file. You have to create local file. Close this file and reopen again. Keeps check create new local, so your local file will be created. Select all in open drop down button and open the model. There is also file created with backup folder in local file folder. Save tool and synchronizing tool both are enabled now. I hope you understand the differences between central file, local file and standalone file. For more educational videos, keep watching BIM Talks.